Hello guys, this is Sebastian with Trade Daily with Seb, and today in this video, another great video of supply and demand trading that I made some pretty good profits, decent profits, traded micros, micro gold, supply and demand. These are all supply and demand areas that I traced out, and we are looking to probably test this area. Probably I am going to bed pretty soon, but I did take the short. I didn't take it here. I did take it from the VWAP, right at VWAP, right when it hit VWAP. As you can see, let's zoom in real quick. Took this out to the VWAP. Gold up, came down. So I was thinking, okay, if VWAP, if price doesn't hold at VWAP to push up, then if this keeps pushing down, then obviously I knew that it's probably going to come down to this area. And that's where I was potentially thinking, but now I'm thinking I did trace this out before this even got here, and we are very close to hitting this demand zone right here. Probably, more than likely, probably will hit that. I don't think we'll come down to this lower part. We could potentially, maybe. Might even just like come down a little bit through here and then they start pushing back up. Possibly. Don't know, obviously. But one thing for sure there, guys, if you are doing supply and demand trading, when you're taking entries at a good, very good point, either here, you would have been really fine taking right at VWAP. Even if you took it, well, I mean, before there's also a point where VWAP tested about this area right here, which is pretty, even if you put your stop loss about right there, you would have been totally fine. You still would have been in the trade, and you would have won that trade on gold. Now, I didn't trade the actual gold futures. I was trading micro gold futures, and took some really good wins. Made 527, and you can see 527, 527, 78. Those are all three trades. All three of those are right there I did take. There were some other ones here. This account I did take a trade. This was a little bit late though. I did take it here though, on gold, on micro gold. Did kind of load up a little bit more on the micros though. As you can see, it did make a little bit extra, a little over $100 more than what these accounts made. You see 527.78, 527.78, 527.78, and then made $622.96 on this gold trade. And guys, if you guys are not familiar with supply and demand, I will break it down to you guys right now. So this is supply, and when you have a supply, that means you are selling, and demand is meaning you are buying. So demand, and of course, one thing for sure, good advice for demand traders, or for supply and demand traders, never try to take a trade at like here. I mean, you can see, oh, it was pushing back up. Maybe we're going to go back long, but then you're going to get destroyed right there. Instead, wait till another candle. Wait till the third candle tells you. I always wait for the third one. I wait for like a third green candle. That gives me, okay, I'm going to take a long. Now, if you went here and just closed out right here, then you'd be fine. If you just want to just hurry up and get out really quick, then it's totally fine. And then short it back again, back to this demand area, then that's fine. But also too, you guys don't try to trade against the trend. Always look. So if you're thinking, okay, well, if it goes long, then if it's a luck. That's a gamble, though, guys. I mean, obviously every trade is a gamble, but if you guys took a long and thought it was going to come back all the way back up to VWAP or something, or back to this supply area, this demand area now has become supply now, but then you would have got stopped out. But so we need to get more confirmation. For me, I needed more confirmation to determine if this is going to keep pushing up longer. But as you can see, it pulled down, came down, and then came down. Probably it came down and retested back, as probably what it did. It probably shot down, way down, and then shot way back up. Maybe, possibly. That's the, or it could have just been, possibly, maybe like trying to shoot up. It shot down. It actually probably shot down, and then started just waking, getting a little bit of wakes, and then it shot, finally stopped there, and then it, anyways. But basically it tested that, so that gives me, okay, I'm gonna take a sell, and then hope for take a sell here, because you're going with the trend. You need to go with the trend, guys. You have to go with the trend. I mean, you don't have to, but it's a smart idea to trade with the trend. And supply and demand is telling you, okay, you see this big run. I mean, we're having a run from all the way up here, all the way down to here. This is obviously, to me, this is obviously telling me that we're probably coming to this demand area now. We went to this demand area, we took that demand area up. Well, if we took that one, we took this one, it's probably more than likely to come into this. I'm thinking it's probably going to come to this area, this one, and then could be, what it could do is probably shoot up, retest this demand area, which now it becomes technically supply, and then it probably could push, if it pushes back up, then it's going to go further up, but then it could just test this and then shoot all the way down to back to this demand area right here. So yeah, so that's it for this, pretty much this video. Sorry if it's really short, but anyways, this is a TopStep account, and you guys, I know I was saying that TopStep had some issues with TopStep, but now I'm giving them a shot again, because the reason why I'm giving them a shot is because I can have 5 funded accounts. And before, they used to do 3 funded accounts, but now TopStep is letting us have 5 funded accounts. That's great. That's amazing. I wouldn't be surprised later down in the future. I don't know when. I wouldn't be shocked if they gave us, like, if they let out like 10, maybe 10 funded accounts. That would be amazing. But it's great. TopStep is stepping up. That's no pun intended, but the step, putting step in there, like they're stepping up. Yeah, they really want to be the top dogs in the futures for it, and the futures prop firm. Yeah, it's funny. So anyways, so we see our accounts here. We got, this one's like ineligible. That I was like, I don't even know what happened that day. Anyways, I do have this account really close to passing. You can see 52,985.20. I literally only need like what, $20-ish, maybe, if that. Maybe like actually what, $15, I think, right? Yeah, $15. I just need like $15 to pass that. And then we have this one, kind of decently close. This one's pretty close. This one's really close. This one's kind of almost close. I mean, if I shoot for another $500, that would get me really close. That'd give me like about I'd have $1,800. That'd be great. Even if I make another $200, I'd be happy, because then I would only need to shoot for like $1,400. But pretty much these two right here, this one and this one, are really close to passing. Well, this one, obviously, and obviously though, guys, this is the closest one. And then we got these two that are going to be trailing this one right here. So that's going to be 3. I know I can probably pass these 3 this one, and this one. So I'll have like three funded accounts with TopStep. I'll be 3xing my money, guys. 3xing my money. Anyways, guys. Okay, but anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for all of my trading for today. is gold. You can see my chart setup for gold, and it's looking very good right now. My technical analysis was very on point. It was great, absolutely great. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is it, though. I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys want to, also too, if you guys want me to mark out supply demand areas for you guys in like whatever you guys want, you know, I'll do it for you guys and give you guys my daily bias, and maybe just do that. Just send me just send me a message or put in the comments and tell us, hey Seb, can you do gold? Not gold. Obviously, I just did gold, but do oil or do like NQES, the Dow, copper or whatever. I do actually have copper already kind of set. Let's actually take a little glance at copper right now. That's another one I love trading. And copper copper really pushed through. It is probably going to this, potentially maybe this demand area right here. Got some really good shorts too. Man, I wish I held. I actually traded copper today. I took it right above. I took it actually right. I think I took it right here. I believe so. I did. I believe that's where I took the trade on. No, actually, I did not. I did actually. Yes, I did. I took it like. Actually, I took it. I think I took it right here. I think, maybe, or did I take it right here? I don't even know exactly. Remember where I exactly took it. I would have to look at that, at some pictures, and see where I took the trade. It was really good. That was some really good areas in demand. We got some. Oh, sorry guys. I'd have to really look at go to higher time frames to determine the demand areas where copper's gonna go. That's another thing too. Go to higher time frame, guys. If you guys are gonna chart areas of demand and supply, always chart areas where you think there is going to be sellers. So here, I'm thinking we are going to probably go into this area. We probably could come into this area more realistically. I would say we are probably coming back into this area right here. We probably could even actually eventually become really, it's probably more like this. This is where it's really the demand area is probably really where that's more like the area where I think it's gonna go. That's where I think on the 1 hour, look at the 5-minute chart, and I mean we are pretty close to that area. And it just dropped again, and it just kept dropping too. So yeah, we are probably going into that area for sure, probably more than likely. So we'll check it out. We probably are going to go to this area for sure, but I am not going to take any more trades for the night. I'm pretty much done until tomorrow morning. Anyways, guys, I'll keep you guys posted on my trades and how I'm doing on my Top Step and my Apex as well. Apex, I just passed the second. Third one. Sorry, third one, guys. I passed the third one. I think I did. I think I passed the third one. I gotta check. I'll keep you guys posted on that one. I'm trying to work on the payouts on the Apex, but haven't really got there yet. Taking it really slow. Don't want to rush into anything with Apex, especially too with Apex is doing the DCA rule. We can't dollar cost average at all anymore. I mean, we can, but you can literally only do it in one trade, and that's it. And at that point, it's like not even worth it, to be honest. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video, pretty much. But yeah, pretty much, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video.